Hello everyone, I am James and you are watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. Today let's see what's the problem with this Panasonic cordless phone. Actually, as per customer, the cordless phone is turning on, but there is no sound from the speaker here. So let's check with that. There is no sound. So for that, first remove the battery. Remove these two screws. Okay. For separating the PCB, we need to remove the screw here and pull this antenna. This is the speaker. So let's see what's the problem with the speaker. Maybe lot of dust has entered, due to which the speaker is not working. It's the old one. Take a soldering wick, desoldering wick. I'm going to fix this speaker. Actually, I have taken this speaker from a Sony cordless phone, old cordless phone. This, you see, the Sony cordless phone, it is totally, the battery has leaked. Due to battery leakage, the total board is spoiled, or it has become faulty and not able to use it. So I'm going to use the speaker from this Sony. Here you can see black is negative and white is positive. You have not used the red one. Okay, let me connect the battery and check. Now due to the here, now we can hear the sound. I'll dial a number. Now, as you can hear the sound, I'll fix back the speaker. I'll fix the speaker. First, let me remove the battery gently. Now, place this keep a rubber place the speaker in its place. Now just let us fix it in this way, or on the top. Let the wires come on the top. These are the screws for speaker to hold the speaker from. Please take care that this glass, it may fall away while you are doing the reparation, so remember to fix it back. It is the indicator, charging, etc. The antenna should be in this way. Okay, now the top cover. Here is the lock. First fix it here and then fasten these two screws. The battery. Yes, I'm able to hear the sound. This way. The sound is clear. Now the speaker is okay. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in repairing your Panasonic cordless phone. No sound problem. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.